Hello everyone. There has been seen a strong relationship between the business ethics and the goodwill of any company. For example, Tata, we associate it as an ethically strong organization because it is led by ethically strong leadership. I'm Professor Jyoti Peswani, your mentor for course on business ethics and corporate governance. In this course, we will be covering topics pertaining to business ethics, like what are business ethics, why is it important, what are ethical values, and what is the difference in ethics and values. We have also covered certain theories and models in this course to give learners an idea or a broader perspective of what are business ethics and why business ethics are important. This course is specifically designed for students who wish to enhance their skills or learn about what are business ethics, how it is important. Also, this course can be taken up by corporates who are already working but interested in enhancing their skills and actually practicing corporate governance and business ethics at workplace. What are good ethical traits of a good leader who is ethically strong and ethically led organizational traits. So this course has been a very important from the organization point of view. So I'm sure that this course will add to your existing school of knowledge and enhance your skills in terms of corporate governance and business ethics. So thank you all.